Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Excel with Amit. In this video, we will learn about pivot tables. A pivot table is basically used to analyze the data in a very tabular format, and it will help to analyze the data in a very quick step for thousands of rows. So as you can see, there are four columns here. This is a sales data basically. These are the salesperson and their region and their category and the amount that they have uh, sold for each category. So in order to insert pivot tables, we can do it in three steps. So first you have to select the table from which you need to create a pivot table. So this is how you can select it. And then second step is to go to insert, hit pivot table. So now you can see these dancing bars here. This shows that the entire data is selected automatically once we hit pivot table. In pivot table, we can create in two sheets. One is the new worksheet and second is the existing worksheet. In new worksheet, when you click here, it will automatically take you here. And in the second worksheet, if you want, you can again go back and select existing worksheet and click somewhere else here, so that you can get the data in the same sheet that you're working on. In this case, we have used a new worksheet. So now you can see the pivot table option is enabled for us. Now you can take the data as per your requirements. So let's see if you want to see the data by salesperson. So you can drag the data under row column and the category as well in which the sales had happened in a as you can see, the data is created and the pivot table is created now. So you see Ajay has sold 2 television and Aman has sold 2 mobiles. Ankit has sold 1 headset, 1 mobile and 1 telephone. So this is how you can play with pivot table data, and as per your requirement you can put the details and create a pivot table. So this is how you create pivot table. Thank you so much. If you need a detailed video in pivot table, then definitely I will create one, and you can learn in detail about pivot tables. So thank you so much once again, and please follow for more. Subscribe and like, comment on my channel. Thank you everyone.